If you're considering buying a Chevrolet Equinox, it's extremely important to understand that while this SUV has been popular for its comfortable ride, roomy interior, and affordable pricing, certain model years have developed a reputation for serious mechanical and reliability problems. On the surface, the Equinox looks like a smart choice for families, commuters, and anyone wanting a compact SUV with decent fuel economy and modern features. However, many owners have learned the hard way that some years come with hidden issues that can lead to expensive repairs, repeated trips to the mechanic, and a lot of frustration. Knowing which Chevrolet Equinox years to avoid can protect you from making a costly mistake and help ensure you get a vehicle that's dependable rather than problematic. One of the most notorious problem periods for the Chevrolet Equinox falls between 2010 and 2013, during the second generation of the vehicle. These years are especially well known for excessive oil consumption, particularly in models equipped with the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Many owners reported that their Equinox burned oil far faster than normal, sometimes requiring frequent oil top-offs between scheduled oil changes. In some cases, drivers didn't realize how severe the issue was until the engine began making unusual noises or suffered major internal damage. Running an engine low on oil can cause accelerated wear on internal components, and for many Equinox owners, this resulted in damaged piston rings, fouled spark plugs, and even complete engine failure, turning what seemed like a reliable SUV into a financial nightmare. What made the oil consumption issue even worse was the fact that it often didn't trigger warning lights right away, leaving drivers unaware until the damage was already done. Chevrolet did eventually acknowledge the problem and offered extended warranties or repairs for certain vehicles, but many owners were left out due to mileage limits or warranty expiration. As a result, buyers who purchase these model years on the used market often inherit a problem that can cost thousands of dollars to fix. Even if the engine hasn't failed yet, the risk remains, making these years a major red flag for anyone looking for long-term reliability. Alongside oil consumption, timing chain problems were another major issue for the 2010 to 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. The timing chain is a critical engine component that ensures everything runs in sync, and when it begins to fail prematurely, it can lead to severe engine damage. Many owners reported hearing rattling noises during startup, experiencing rough idling, or seeing the check engine light come on unexpectedly. In some cases, the timing chain would stretch or wear out far earlier than expected, often worsened by low oil levels caused by the oil consumption issue. Repairing a timing chain is not cheap, and when ignored, it can result in catastrophic engine failure, further cementing these years as some of the worst to buy. The 2014 Chevrolet Equinox, while technically an updated model, still carried over many unresolved problems from previous years. Oil consumption complaints continued, and while not every vehicle was affected, the issue remained common enough to concern buyers. Transmission-related problems also became a frequent complaint, particularly with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Owners described rough shifting, hesitation when accelerating, and delayed engagement when shifting into drive or reverse. These symptoms not only affected driving comfort, but also raised concerns about long-term transmission reliability, especially as repairs or replacements can be extremely costly once the vehicle is out of warranty. Electrical issues added another layer of frustration for 2014 Equinox owners. Problems with infotainment systems freezing or shutting down, malfunctioning power windows, faulty sensors, and warning lights appearing without clear explanations were commonly reported. While electrical problems might not always immobilize a vehicle, they can be time-consuming and expensive to diagnose and repair. Over time, these recurring issues can significantly reduce the overall ownership satisfaction and resale value of the vehicle, making this year another one buyers should approach with caution. Earlier Chevrolet Equinox models, particularly those from 2005 to 2007, also deserve attention when discussing years to avoid. As first-generation vehicles, these models suffered from several design and build quality shortcomings. Many owners reported suspension problems, such as worn wheel bearings, failing control arms, and premature strut wear. These issues often led to clunking noises, uneven tire wear, and poor handling, sometimes at surprisingly low mileage. Brake performance was another area of concern, with some drivers complaining about longer stopping distances and faster than expected brake wear. Interior quality in these early models was also a common complaint. Cheap materials, peeling plastics, fading upholstery, and malfunctioning interior controls made these vehicles feel older than their actual age. While cosmetic issues may not seem critical at first, they can impact daily driving comfort and reduce the vehicle's overall value. Combined with mechanical and suspension issues, these early Equinox models often failed to meet owner expectations for durability and reliability. Safety concerns have also affected certain Chevrolet Equinox years, making them less appealing for buyers who prioritize peace of mind. Multiple recalls have been issued over the years for problems related to airbags, seat belts, electronic stability control systems, and other critical safety components. In some cases, faulty sensors or software issues could prevent airbags from deploying properly in a crash. While recalls are meant to address these problems, not all used vehicles receive the necessary repairs, especially if they've changed ownership multiple times. Buying a used Equinox without verifying that all recall work has been completed could mean unknowingly driving a vehicle with unresolved safety risks. Cooling system issues are another problem reported across several Chevrolet Equinox model years, particularly those equipped with four-cylinder engines. Owners have reported coolant leaks, failing water pumps, radiator issues, and overheating problems that appeared with little warning. Overheating can cause severe engine damage, including warped cylinder heads or blown head gaskets, both of which are extremely expensive to repair. When cooling system failures are combined with oil consumption and timing chain issues, the risk of major engine problems increases significantly. In contrast, later model years benefited from improved engineering, better quality control, and updated components that addressed many of these earlier issues. This highlights why research is so important before buying a used vehicle. The key is knowing where the trouble spots are and avoiding them whenever possible. In the end, the biggest takeaway for buyers is that the Chevrolet Equinox is not inherently a bad SUV, but choosing the wrong model year can lead to serious regrets. Before purchasing, always check maintenance records, look for signs of oil consumption or transmission problems, verify that all recalls have been completed, and have the vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. Spending extra time researching and inspecting a used Equinox can save you thousands of dollars and countless headaches, ensuring that your purchase is a smart investment rather than an expensive lesson in what to avoid.